A young man who came to Germany for his studies had no idea he would revolutionize the automotive world. With carbon fiber, gold plating, and wild designs, he turned luxury cars into true works of art. Today, when people hear Mansory, they think of one thing: extravagance. But how did Kourosh Mansory build this insane empire? Let's dive in. Founder of Mansory. When it comes to luxury car modifications, one of the biggest names that comes to mind is Kourosh Mansory. Known for his unique and bold designs, Mansory is an entrepreneur who has transformed the world of automotive customization. He doesn't just personalize vehicles, he turns them into true works of art. Kourosh Mansory's interest in automobiles began at a young age. While studying in Germany, he closely observed Europe's automotive culture and focused particularly on the luxury car industries in Switzerland and the UK. The customization culture and luxury car production in these countries played a major role in inspiring him to enter the modification world. Before founding his own company, Mansory worked in the UK, specializing in the customization of brands like Rolls-Royce, Bentley, and Aston Martin. His experiences there helped him develop a unique perspective on luxury car modifications. However, Mansory didn't want to settle for traditional modifications. He aimed to make a difference in the market by combining carbon fiber, gold accents, ultra-aggressive designs, and high-performance engine modifications. With this vision in mind, he officially entered the world of luxury car customization by establishing Mansory Design and Holding GmbH in 1989. As Mansory became a brand synonymous with unlimited luxury, performance, and extravagance, Kourosh Mansory solidified his reputation as one of the most radical and attention-grabbing modification experts in the automotive world. The year was 1989. With a deep passion for automobiles, Kourosh Mansory took his vision a step further and founded Mansory Design and Holding GmbH in Germany. His goal wasn't just to enhance the performance of luxury cars, but to make them completely unique. His vision wasn't just about speed. It was about striking designs, the finest materials, and the boldest ideas. Mansory initially focused on ultra-luxurious British brands like Rolls-Royce, Bentley, and Aston Martin. These cars were already expensive and prestigious, but Mansory made them even more eye-catching. Gold plating, custom carbon fiber details, and extreme performance modifications quickly became the brand's signature. But this was only the beginning. Mansory became known as a rule breaker in the modification world. The brand gained global recognition through its bold modifications of Lamborghini, Ferrari, Bugatti, Mercedes, and Porsche supercars and luxury SUVs. When people hear the name Mansory, three things come to mind: extravagance, boldness, and extreme designs. But what makes Mansory's cars so unique? What sets them apart from other modification brands? Let's explore the secrets of Mansory's wild design philosophy. Saying that Mansory was born to be noticed wouldn't be an exaggeration. Their modified cars make even factory-made luxury models look ordinary. The secret lies in their bold, aggressive, and ultra-luxurious design approach. Massive body kits, widened fenders, and aggressive lines instantly make Mansory cars recognizable. Performance-enhancing engine modifications don't just make these cars look powerful, they actually push them to the next level. Mansory's most iconic modifications. Mansory Bugatti Chiron Centuria, the ultimate fusion of speed and luxury. Mansory Lamborghini Urus Venatus, the beast of the SUV world. Mansory Rolls-Royce Cullinan Coastline, the definition of ultra-luxury. Mansory will continue to cater to ultra-wealthy clients with bespoke modifications, offering exclusive colors, interior designs, and limited edition body kits. Even in the electric era, Mansory is determined to combine luxury, power, and uniqueness. As a brand known for excess and extravagance, Mansory must adapt to electrification and sustainability trends in the automotive industry. So, what does the future hold for Mansory? Mansory has already begun offering custom modifications for electric vehicles like Tesla and Porsche Taycan. In the future, we might see Mansory versions of the Lucid Air, Rimac Nevera, and BMW i7. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Have a great day.